John 5. Healing a party at the pool of the Bethsaida. After this war was a Jewish feast, and Jesus went up to Jerusalem. Now there is Jerusalem by the sea gate a pool called Bethsaida in Aramaic, which has 5 correct walls. A great number of sick, blind, lame, and prayed people were lying in their walls. Now a man was there when had been signed for 38 years. When Jesus saw him lying there, and when really that the man had been sick long time already, he said to him, "Do you want to become well?" The sick man answered him, "Sure, I have no one to put into the pool when the water is stirred up. Well, I am tired to get into the water. Someone else guys down there before me." Jesus said to him, "Stand up, pick up your man and walk." I there was healed and picked up his man and walks. Now they said. So these leaders to when who had been held in this sub, and you are not permitted to carry men. But he answered the man well said to me, pick up your and walk. They asked him, what is the man said to you, pick up your man walk? But the man who had been healthy did not his house for Jesus and sleep out. Since there was a crowd in the place. After this, Jesus found him at the temple, said to him, "Look, you have become well. Don't sin anymore, lest anything worse happen to you." The man went away and information Jesus leader that Jesus was the one had him well. Responding to Jewish leaders. Now because Jesus was doing the thing on the Sabbath, the Jewish leader began persecuting him. So he told them, "My Father is working until now, and too I am working." For this reason, the Jewish leaders were tried even harder to kill him, because not only was he breaking the Sabbath, but they was also calling God his Father, thank making himself equipped with God. So Jesus answered, I tell you, son turned the so can do nothing on his own initiative, but only what he sees the Father doing. For whether the Father does, the Son does. For the Father loves Son and knows him anything he does, and will show him greater deeds than this. So thank you will be. For just and the Father raised the dead and give the life, so also the Son give life to one never his needs. For more, the Father does not judge any, but has assigned all judgment to you Son, to the Son, so the people will honor the Son just in they honor the Father. The one who does not honor the Son does not you the Father will send him. I tell you, the Son turn the one who hears my messenger and believes the one who sent me has eternal life in what not contented, but has correct over from the to life. I tell you, solemn, I come in, and is now here when they did hear the voice, the song of God, and thus will hear life. For just as the Father has in him through his greater the Son to have life in self, and he has great the Son authority to judgment, because he is the Son of Man. Do not be amazing this, because a time is coming when all we are the tombs will hear his voice, and will come out the ones who was done by God to the solution in life, and the ones who don't what is evil to the relation and incarnation, and can do nothing my own thing, just as he judge, and my judge is just because I do not seek my own will, but the will on we send. more testimony about Jesus. If testimony about myself, my testimony is not true, there is nothing worth there is about, and now the testimony he testified about is true. You have sent to John, and he has to the truth. I do not accept harm testimony, but say this so that my behalf behest a land that was burning and sinning, and you want to rejoice greatly for a certain time his life. But I have a testimony greater there from John, for the Father has assigned me to complete the deeds, not down testing about that the Father has sent me, and the Father was sent me has himself testify about me. You people have never heard his voice nor seen his for any time, or nor do you have his word residing in you, because you do not believe the one that he sent. You study their spirit truth, because you think in time you purpose in life, and it's designed some secret the testing about me. But you not will to come to me so that you might have life. I don't accept praise for people, but but I know you that do not. I have the love and God within you. I have come in my Father's name, and you do not accept me. I someone else comes in his own name, you will accept him. You believe if you accept praise for one others, and don't seek the praise that come from the only God. Do not surprise the will, because you before the Father, the one because you is Moses, in who you have placed your hope. If you believe Moses, you will believe me, because he wrote about me. But if you do not believe what Moses wrote, how will you believe my words? Thank you.